Occlusion. Why is occlusion important? Because you need to walk into your operatory with confidence that you're going to perform at your highest level. You want to walk out of your operatory with confidence that you performed at that highest level and what you will do will last as long as possible. And with occlusion, you will build something. And it's not teeth. And it's not smiles. And it's not zirconia restorations. It's a reputation. Because teeth that are broken can be fixed. Reputations that are destroyed are harder, if not impossible, to fix. And occlusion shouldn't ever stand alone because occlusion has to be a solution to a problem. When we teach and when we train and when we use occlusion, it's for two reasons. And you're motivated by two reasons to pursue occlusion. You either want to achieve success or you want to avoid failure. And if you look at those are really actually just two sides of the same coin. Are you motivated by fear or are you motivated by success? It's exactly the same thing, but just different ways that you get motivated to pursue that. How do you want it to look? How do you make it fit? How do you mitigate forces with a net?